Hi guys, good day. This is your friend Jake. I would like to say thank you very much to all your support. And then in this video guys, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all. So right now, at present time, we have 694 subscribers. So I am very happy and grateful for your kind support, likes, comments, and suggestions to my channel. I really enjoy working on my channel, especially with my tutorials on computer programming, sharing life lessons, and about my life in general. So happy holidays to everyone. I hope that you have a safe and enjoyable Christmas season, and praying for the best for this upcoming New Year 2021. So um, this is your friend Jake, and then rest assured that I will do my very best to create more tutorial videos and give you more insights on information technology and software development and software engineering, particularly in computer programming. See you next time, guys. Thank you.